Alright, ladies, look at the camera there. We have some bad news for you. Look at the camera. Due to a technical glitch, your interview is completely gone. And thus, we must do it all over again. Sorry. Alright, ready? Okay, let's start a different way. Clarrisa, you got 30 seconds. Look into the camera. I would like for you to take this time to thank any adults, not friends, any adults that are responsible for your 8th grade, etc. Ready? Look into the camera. Go. Thank adults, parents, teachers, mom, dad, somebody. Go. 30 seconds. Go.
My mom, Mr. Lopez, and Mrs. Tran, and Miss Hassel.
Clarrisa, you have 25 seconds left.
And that's it. And Miss Yao, and Miss Ballas.
What about them?
They are amazing people, and they make me what I am today.
Alright, thank you, Jessica. You got 30 seconds. Same deal. You can thank everybody and who's an adult, no friends. Go.
Miss Yao, Miss Ballas, Miss Anulat, Miss Chan, Mr. Lopez, and of course Sister Clarrisa, because if I didn't go to the school, I wouldn't learn from them, and they're really interesting.
Alright, good job. Thank you very much. Alright, ladies, Clarrisa, let's start with you. Do you have any regrets of anything that happened during the 8th grade year?
I mean, not really. Everything I did for a reason, you know. And if I did go back and change anything, then the present would be changed. Does that make sense?
It does, actually. Alright, thank you. Jessica, same question. Go ahead.
I would regret fighting with my friends for the smallest things, because it kind of broke our friendship and we kind of drifted apart.
Alright, Clarrisa, what's one thing you'll remember about 8th grade? Or, different question, if you could summarize 8th grade in a word or two, what would it be?
I'll definitely remember all my classmates and teachers and all the fun we had and those good times.
Alright, Jessica, same question. One or two words to describe 8th grade?
Very unexpected and amazing experience with my friends.
Alright. Clarrisa, what's the one thing that you learned being at St. Genevieve? It doesn't have to be something that happened in a classroom. Okay, so what's the one thing that you'll always remember because you came here?
I will always remember to just keep your head held high and never give up, no matter what happens. And yeah, and don't let anything bring you down.
Thank you. Jessica, same question. One thing that you remember that you learned from coming to the school, not necessarily something from the classroom.
I will remember that everything doesn't happen like in a coincidence way, but like it happens for a reason, and shall not give up, because if you keep going, that means you could be successful in the future.
Alright, Clarrisa, you're looking at the camera, and if you had to give any words of advice to a younger student or a younger Clarrisa, what words of advice would you give to this person?
Can we not start with me anymore?
Alright, Jessica, same question. Words of advice to a younger Jessica or another kid watching this wondering what it's like to be in 8th grade.
Don't fight with your friends like very often, and just keep going and don't let anything go in your way.
Thank you. Clarrisa, same question. Words of advice to a young Clarrisa or somebody else watching this who doesn't know what it's like to be an 8th grader.
Well, your 8th grade year is one of the most important years, so make the best of it. And have fun.
Alright, cool. Anything else, ladies, we've left out or want to mention? Shout outs, whatnot, regret, funny memories?
Mr. Lopez's class, laughing at all his jokes, even though like they weren't that funny, I would still laugh like hysterically. Even at the littlest jokes, I would just be laughing.
Why would you do that?
I don't know, it's just...
Guys, it'll be awkward.
Wow.
Like I would literally be laughing even though they weren't that funny. I was
Yeah.
be
Wow.
laughing.
They weren't all that bad, were they?
No, not really. It was good.
They're actually pretty funny.
So what's the percentage between funny and not funny? What's the breakdown? 50-50? 60-40?
5% not funny.
Wait, what?
Whoa. Wow, that's pretty high. Alright, that's
No,
fine.
wait.
Wait, 5% not funny or funny?
5%.
Funny or not funny?
Oh, 90%. 99.9% of them are funny.
Alright, Jessica, what's the breakdown of Lopez jokes? Funny, not funny.
Well,
Be honest.
I'm mostly quiet in literature class, but then like when Mr. Lopez tells us jokes, I tend to laugh because others start laughing and I laugh at their laugh instead of Mr. Lopez's laugh. I mean, joke.
Alright, anything else, ladies?
I'm gonna miss Miss Chan's class a lot.
Tell us about that. Go ahead. No one's gonna judge you.
Yeah, because we're ourselves in that class and we laugh at the randomest things and we talk about the personal things with her.
Yeah. And we have moments there where we can just laugh. And, like Jessica said, we can be ourselves. And at the same time, we can still learn with Miss Chan. She's a really good teacher. Yeah, I'm just gonna miss that class, especially a lot.
Yeah, me too.
Alright. Thank you very much, girls. And we promise we will not lose that this time.
Okay, good.
That was so short compared to the other one.
Right to the point. Thank you, ladies.